welcome back to my channel. This year I decided that I will try a new project and it's called Pan Those Eyeshadows. Here are all of the eyeshadows that I have. I have 5 eye palettes and I also have 7 single shades. 2 of them are cream. These 3 palettes I have them last year and these are all new. The first one is from Viseart and it's called Sirenus Etendu and it looks like this. This one isn't original palette. The first 8 shades are from this palette and the bottom row, so the bottom 4 shades, are actually from this Viseart small palette that it's called Petite Force Isolde. I have decluttered 4 dark shades from this palette that I didn't like and didn't suit me and put those in here because the palette is magnetic. The second one is also from Viseart and it's called Praline Etendu and it looks like this. This one is completely new. I haven't even used it on my eyes. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury and it's called Pillow Talk Luxury Palette in Pillow Talk and it looks like this. Then the next palette is from Bobbi Brown and it's called Luxe Eye Eyeshadow Duo Sparkly Copper and it looks like this. The last palette has a packaging of Tarte Started Fresh Picked, but it's actually a mix between 3 single shades from our Marc Jacobs Beauty eyeshadow palette and 2 from this palette. Then I have singles. This one is from Essence in shade 14 Flirting. Next is from Urban Decay called Moondust in Space Cowboy. Then I have 3 Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shots. The first one is in Diamond Eyes. Next one is in Pillow Talk Diamonds, Diamond Dimension. And the last one is in shade Rose Gold. And then I have 2 cream ones. The first one is from Charlotte Tilbury, Easy Eye One in shade Date Night Eyes. It looks like this. And again from Charlotte, Eyes to Mesmerize in shade Rose Gold. And it looks like this. And as you can see, these 3 pens are the only pens of eyeshadows that I have pen on them. The rest of them from this palette were used exactly 25 times. And those were used more than 25 times because I had them longer in my collection and those 2 were from my Focus Pen Dead palette last year. The rest of them are completely new. Maybe they were used 1 to 3 times, but not more than that. My rules for this project are that from all of the eyeshadow palettes, each of the shades needs to be used 26 times before I roll it out, or less if I hit pen on it before 26 uses, and it can be rolled 2 times in this project. And for the single shades, I need to use it 10 times before I roll it out, and also they can be rolled in 2 times per year. I will decide on eyeshadows by throwing dice. Each update I will throw it, and I have rules right here. So number 1 will be Viseart palette, and I call this one brown one. Number 2 on the dice will be Charlotte Tilbury. 3 Bobbi Brown. 4 will be this Tartelette palette, and 5 will be this Viseart black palette. And each update I will work on 4 pens from eyeshadow palettes and 2 from singles, and if the dice lands on number 6, then I will be working on more single shades and less pens from the pen. And if I choose a palette from this Viseart palette, I will simply put it in this smaller one and use it from here. So let's start with choosing shades. I will be working from palette number 1, this is Wizard Brown, then from palette number 2, which is Charlotte Tilbury, palette number 3, which is Bobbi Brown, and palette number 5, which is this Black Wizard palette. Now let's throw for the single shade, so I will throw 2 of them, and I have number 3 and number 4. So number 3 is from Urban Decay, this Space Cowboy, and number 4 is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dimensions Diamond Eyes Hypnotizing Pop Shot. I think that this is this pink one. Yes, so these 2 are my single shades, and now let's roll which of the shades I will be working in each of the palettes. So they both have 12 pens. I'll throw 2 of them and add up the number. So from the first palette is number 9. So 4, 8, 9, this one. From the second palette, it will be number 8. This is this one. And then this palette has only 4 shades, so I will throw 1 dice. And I will be working on number 2. And this one only has 2 shades, so this one will be odd numbers and this side will be even numbers. So 4 is even. I'll be working on the second shade. So this one. I have additional rule that if I choose only sparkling shades, I will use this Marc Jacobs bronzer that is mini in shade 104 Fantastic Glow as my crease color for the base of all of the palettes. Now I will show you the swatches. I will build those last 2 up. So here are 4 from palettes, and now for 2 singles. Here is what my color story looks like for January. So these 2, I need to use them 10 times and these 4 26 times before I can roll them out. See you again next month.